this difficult hour will end.
Right now it's unclear what is happening, because our whole planet is going insane.
And there is no sunlight anymore. Dark clouds are covering the sunrise. For a long time I couldn't find an answer. When will the heavenly covenant arrive? Give us at least something, at least advice. When will our world finally come alive
and begin to live a full life again?
Fly away like dust soaked with rot,
and Mother Nature will rise again.
It will be impossible to break her or drive the strong spirit from our people.